hang on.
They know it's Alex from Hoppos.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. And we are back with the 62, which hopefully this might be the last install video on this. I can't cross my fingers, but crossing my fingers. So as you guys know, we've been working on the 62. It's been, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys. We missed our deadline, but it wasn't necessarily our fault. Now, we were ready to go and push as much as we had to and stay as late as we had to get this car done in the 12-day span that we had. But as of right now, this is our first car that we have missed our deadline on. When I say we, yes, I am going to take responsibility for missing this, but to be 100% honest, we have been waiting on batteries for almost 3 weeks now, and we finally got them in that last video. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting oil in, priming the pumps, testing everything, hitting a switch for the very first time, which I'm very excited and very nervous for, because there's a lot of tubing going on here, and if something goes wrong, it is not going to be an easy fix, and it's not going to be a quick fix, and it's going to get messy on this really pretty setup, and that could be really bad for us. But I have faith, so we're going to get going on this. We have all the oil right here behind us. We got a whole new pack of microfibers just in case, crossing our fingers that doesn't happen. But you know what, let's be real, there's a lot of tubing on here. It might happen. We've gone through and double checked and triple checked, but let's just see what happens. So at this point right now, we're gonna get some oil in here and then we're gonna get rolling. Made in the USA. We got our oil, we got our pumps. We have been waiting 2.5 years to fill these tanks up to get this car up and moving. Oh my God, I can't believe it. The time is finally here. Guys, we had a few leaks. We have a few issues with fighting ground just because of all the paint and powder coat, which is nothing major. We're going to run some external ground cables pretty much from battery racks to the pump stands just to eliminate any issues of fighting ground. We don't want to have any sparks that are unnecessary, obviously. Also, we had a few leaks pop up. The front so far is looking good. The front lockup actually is pretty sick. That is using our HD ball joints on there. And the rear, we had a few little leaks right now that they're addressing. The guys are working on that right now. It's like 5 guys, 1 wrench. Since you guys are working on it. They're commenting about you.
About what?
They thought you were locked up again.
Welcome back.
He's been on vacation, guys. He's been on vacation. I told you guys.
Every day.
Vic just got in trouble. He's been stuck in his shipping. We finally released the shackles off his ankles today. Where have you been, Vic? They said no one. Everyone said that.
Taking care of paperwork.
They said that they didn't hear you in the back banging on tools. They didn't hear you yelling, saying stupid stuff. I said my Vic doesn't say that kind of stuff.
Well, how's everything?
Update, guys. As of right now, we're still chasing leaks. There's 2 leaks that we're spotting right off the bat, and of course it's the 2 hardest fittings to get to, so the guys are working on getting those tightened up, also trying to clean up the mess. At the same time, we're trying to dial in the slowdowns and make sure everything's leveled out, wiring's correct, but we haven't been able to get that far yet because, well, still got a few leaks going on. And those 2 down there way at the bottom, those are the ones that AJ's trying to get tightened up. Those are the 2 hardest ones to get to, and of course those are the ones that decide to leak. When something like this happens, I go, I don't know who's the idiot who designed this. It's dumb. You. And Vic is back. There he is, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, he is out. Asshole. Well, as you guys can see by the looks of it, things aren't going our way. So the issues we're having right now, we're having 2 issues. We're having one being it's back feeding. So one of the back passenger side pumps, as we're hitting it up, we're hearing a backspin on the gear. And that's telling us one thing, that check valve's not holding. The problem is when we set these check valves out, they didn't get sealed up when they got chrome. So I'm pretty sure what's happening is chrome or acid got inside one of those check valves and is causing it to pretty much stay open for a duration of a time. Because when we hit it up, the rear is staying up, but in between that process, we're hitting a backspin. So I don't think that check valve is closing completely. Second issue we're having is on the driver's side rear, we're having a complete seepage. We hit it up, that side completely comes down. What I'm thinking is because of those check valves not being sealed properly, I believe there was debris or something that got jammed up inside there, and as we start pumping fluid through, it's running through the dumps. So we're going to be taking apart the dumps, we're going to be taking apart the check valve, we're going to see if we can save them. We're going to cross our fingers we can save them because these things are fully etched, diamond cut, striped, gold leaf, variegated gold leaf, pinstriping. So we're going to cross our fingers that we could save them. We're going to take them apart, clean them out. If worse comes to worse, if you have to grab another 3/8 Stucci, we'll grab another 3/8 Stucci, take the internals of that one, take this one fully apart, gut it, clean it all out with a wire brush, and reassemble with new guts. We're gonna hope that's gonna work because, well, this car does have to be out of here to hit the next step. So we're in a scramble mode right now and we're trying to get this done. AJ's working on taking apart this side right now because this is my side, that's his side. We're hitting it from both sides. Let's see how this goes. Crossing our fingers this goes well because right now this is not what we want. You nervous? Just another day in the office. Got a gusher. Okay guys, so we had fixed the issue on the driver's side. Now we're working on the passenger side one, which is going to be a check valve related issue because of the chroming. When we pulled it apart, we actually found a nice good sliver of chrome. So even as much cleaning as we did, there was still some debris in there. So we're actually pulling that out now, which that's what you see AJ's. Actually, we just replaced out all the center guts in that Stucci. we're getting the fittings back on. Luckily, we sent out extra fittings. That way we could actually get a fresh fitting on there without a whole bunch of marks and stuff like that. So that's what's happening right now. Still gotta do the other one. Keep you guys updated. Hopefully this works, because if not, man, we're in trouble. What'd you do? Swapped out check valves, redid the inner guts on one of them, and put all the tubing back together. So, fingers crossed that it works. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully it works. Let's see what happens. Come on. I'm genuinely excited and nervous. Don't know. Like, I want us to hit the switch right now, but I'm like, I don't want to hit the switch, because like I want to know, but then I don't want to know, but I want this thing working. Oh, this is like genuine 2.5 years of anticipation and nerves build up right here. Like, this isn't even our car yet. We have so much time and everything just invested into this car. So it's literally our freaking baby as well. So here goes nothing. Attempt number 2. Attempt number 2. Let's see what happens. Alright, so far it looks like it's actually working, but we got a little leak back there, so we're going to tighten that back up. It happens, bar low riding, tighten it up, keep moving, keep testing. Woo, booty is hot. Jeez. Dang. On the gravity fence too. It's about the booty hop right now. Once again, we are fighting chrome. Chrome and a check valve. Chrome and a dump. It's gonna be a long night. Good part is so far we got 2 out of 4 corners functioning properly. We're at 50% odds right now, guys, so I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully the house actually wins on this one. Well, guys, guess what? We did it. We did it. Oh, look at it. We're tired. This thing nearly defeated us. Nearly defeated us. This one, man, let me tell you. A lot of check valve rebuilds, a lot of dump cleaning, a lot of everything. A lot of just sitting here and looking up and going, please, 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 please. But damn, she looks good. That is the aftermath.
That was a 100 pack.
That was a 100 pack. 100 pack of crappy ones, but yeah. Rags on rags on rags on messes, but we're done. At least for part 1. We're gonna go home and get some rest, and we will see you guys. Well, you won't see us for a few days, but we're going to be filming. We got some other stuff coming up. We got some other cars we're going to be working on. It might just happen to be right there, but we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the page. You guys see a whole bunch of other content. Also, if you guys need hydraulic or air parts, www.hopplesonline.com. We will see you guys next time. Thank you.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in.